Hello, moro lwak weng magitio winya. An lalo Kenya Simon Peter Mara. Miro loki kom telle mogo matika time different political offices me Uganda. Kaneno chachoki parliament me Uganda. Telo berutie matek. Ma Lweny berutie kin MPs. Pe eno nege ken KCCA tele beno berutie chachoki. Isoroti Council tele beno berutie. Hoima Council tele beno berutie. Kibeni Gulu Council tele berutie. Kidoi Kitgum wawinyo beni tele berutie matek. Studio me one of the radio stations matie Kitgum. Ma ngur na wawinyo ni Lweny komea. Now, ana ti penyo wiya. Pingo tele tika mede to twal I political wing I Uganda. Me achele no ni dano tie lar mugate struggle for resources. Ma any always ka resources just scarce. Jame yani time. Kadi beri resources time Paul. Piane tejo mukana magmiare gena ekibet kijama Paul. Loyal wordgi. Now, psychology of anger. Wajo ni ka ng'ato moni ki mistreating. Ng'at eni dog geyo. Onyo ka ini threatening kuopa ng'ato moni. Ng'ati eno ni dog geyo out of reflex action. Onyo ka ng'ato moni ti embarrassed. Ng'ati eno dog geyo. Onyo ka ng'ato moni ti jealous. Pingo ma ng'ato moni ti timone maber. Ng'at moni eno ni romo dog geyo. Onyo guilt. Ma ng'ato mo ng'eni en ti guilty. Itimo gino mo marach. But don't make covering up. Enong dog ge mapetwere. Now, I take an trend in a petima better given the fact we are going for general elections in 2026 Uganda. I tell worried violence may escalate. And these are warning signs to the responsible agencies. Nimero oloto getem genomo ki solutions. Now solution etiningo. Atamo nimero ki making fighting a risky venture. Ka ng'at ma olwenyo, that person must face dire consequences. Ka itimo kumano, that is going to act as a deterrent to some people magen gwari kitie mero bedo violent to others. Chalo ka inite debate ni radio station. Any no Lweny intellectual discourse. Dano take different reasoning capabilities. So kanga mono out reasoning ino